Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. With the release of iOS 18, Apple has implemented a significant security enhancement. Activation Lock, previously used to prevent unauthorized device activation, now extends its protection to individual iPhone components like batteries, cameras, and displays. This new measure aims to deter theft by making it more difficult for thieves to resell stolen devices. In this video, I'll explain how this feature works and what it means for iPhone owners. Let's go. Activation Lock is automatically enabled when you set up Find My on your iPhone. No further configuration is needed. To check, open Settings. Go to your Apple account and click on Find My. Make sure everything is enabled. This introduces a new security measure to deter the theft and resale of iPhone components. If someone attempts to use a part in another iPhone, the device will prompt the original owner's Apple ID to verify the component's legitimacy. If the part can't be verified, its functionality will be restricted, making stolen components essentially useless for resale or reuse. In the past, thieves could profit from stolen iPhones by reselling the device as a whole or by extracting valuable components like the camera, display, or processor. With iOS 18, these components become worthless to them. This feature is designed to reduce the black market for stolen iPhone parts, as thieves will no longer be able to profit by selling components from a stolen phone. However, this new layer of security could also complicate repairs, especially for third-party repair shops or users who might want to use second-hand parts from a different device. These parts will not function correctly unless they are linked to the original owner's account, potentially limiting repair options outside of Apple's authorized service network. This would also impact the second-hand iPhone market. Buyers may need to be more cautious when purchasing used devices, as there is a risk that the components may be locked by a previous owner. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.